Before this video starts, please do hit that subscribe button for my main channel because this data shows that many people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Hello there, this is going to be an in-depth look into the features of this phone. I've already done an unboxing video of this product, but now we're going to take an in-depth look into this phone. So let's head on in. Let's start off with the background. So this is the background. It's a yellow background matching with the colour of the phone, as you can see. It's time, date, so other information, icons. Notices. I'm not going to show that for personal reasons because I've got some messages and that will disclose some telephone numbers. Shortcuts. You've got Wi-Fi on, volume, brightness, calculator, which will go into depth later. Flashlight, as you can see. It's LED powered, so you can turn on Bluetooth on this. I'll just turn it on. Put it on airplane mode if you're going abroad. You've got camera, which we'll go on into later. Let's turn off the flashlight. And let's go into the menu. Call log, contacts. I won't go in, and messages. I won't go into these three, obviously for personal reasons. But you've got the store, the powered by Kai OS. You've got apps, a list of apps here. You've got games, social link, Facebook, which I don't use on this, it's too small for Facebook. A lot of apps, so let's get out of there. And then you've got a snake game, which I play whenever I get bored, but we're not going to play it now. I just show you it for some purposes. Let's quit. Back to the menu. You've got camera. For camera, don't expect the quality to be excellent on this because it's just a basic phone. I can show you a few photos that are not personal. You can take photos, you've got automatic flash, you can take videos on this, saved onto this. Flash, timer, grid. For photos, this basic handphone is good at taking decent quality photos like cars, food and even soft animals with a resolution of 1200 in width and 1600 in height. For videos, with a video quality of 240p, it is useless to take any video on this handphone. You've got YouTube, Assistant, music, which I don't listen to. YouTube, Assistant and Google, these apps are embedded into a browser. Browsing, which I don't bother to use because the phone is too small for browsing. FM radio, which I haven't tried that, but you have to wear headphones for it. Emails. I might set up an email account on this. You've got the clock. You've got stopwatch on this. Video, calendar. Settings, which I'll go into to show you the sounds, tones. Enough of that, and for notice alerts. Got notes, which I don't bother using. Calculator, where you can add all, so you can use this. For example, 5 times 32, and then that will get you 160. For example, voice recorder, unit converters. For example, I can you can convert various units. For speed, let's do 138.6, and that's 218, actually 219 kilometers. Let's go back. There's some free games. These games are just demonstration. You have to pay in order to use these, which I don't bother, as you can see. This is just a demonstration. You have to pay. I already downloaded one game, by the way. Spot the difference whenever I play it, whenever I'm bored. But I can't delete these, unfortunately, because these are in the way. Overall, it's just a simple phone to navigate through. You've got a few extras, a few essentials on there, a few non-essentials. It's a nice phone to use. So this is the end of the video now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you know whenever I upload a new video.